So children, question number 5, it says that, show that 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. So one thing to be noted here, that in left side the minus is there. Left side some minus symbol is there and right side no minus. It is in multiplication. So in this type of situation, compulsory there will be conversion. Conversion will be there. Which type of conversion? 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, or whatever. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta, or 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, or sec and tan, cot and cosec, some conversion. And here it has to be converted. Cos is to be converted in tan. So it is not looking to be directly possible. So first, whatever the probability is there, explore for that. Cos theta minus cos theta. Here simply we can write 1. After putting 1, what can you do, children? Expected simply LCM. We have to take LCM. LCM is cos theta. Now cos theta and 1. So cos theta 1 times. So how much, children? 1 minus, here 1 is there, cos theta times cos theta into cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta. Now see, probability is coming. 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Children, 1 minus cos square theta can be written as a, what we can write to 1 minus cos square theta? Yes, sin square theta. I gave the indication the starting only, by cos theta. How, children? Because identity is there, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now here sin square theta by cos theta. So see what you have to find, tan theta. Tan theta means we need sin theta by cos theta. Is it there? Here sin square theta. So I am writing it separately. Sin square theta as a sin theta into sin theta. Divide by cos theta as a cos theta only. So children, now sin theta by cos theta I am writing separately. Sin theta by cos theta, because in this place we can write tan theta, and one more sin theta is left. One more sin theta is left. Sin theta by cos theta is how much, children? Tan theta, and sin theta as it is. Is it not on right hand side? Right hand side. So children, this question is very small, very simple and very small question, and once we get practice of solving this type of questions, I am sure that you can solve even long questions whose answers are very long, one page also. It is not there in 10th class, of course in intermediate first year in trigonometry, okay, but I hope you can solve it. Some shining is there on blackboard. Hope you will adjust it. What I have written. I think some focus of sunlight is coming on board. Yes, focus is there. Now children, this is question number 6. It is saying that simplify sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a. Simplify means you have to bring it down. Bring it down means tan in place of sin and cos, or instead of having this much of big terms, you get the minimum terms, or sometimes you get the number only, numerical value only. Otherwise simply like a tan a, like a sec a. In this all complication, this into all is have disappear, and you will get the simple answer. That is called as simplification here. Means these answers may be either numeral or 1 or 2 terms. Without this much of sec a into 1 minus bracket into all this has to be removed. That is called as simplification. Okay children, so let's take the left hand side. Left hand side. What is the left hand side? Only one is there, children, sorry. No left hand side and right hand side, because it's not a proof. Oh, simplification is there. So you can write directly sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a. Okay, think of what to do. So children, one thing we can do, that this all can be converted in sine and cos. For simplifying, let's convert the big one sec as a sine and cos, whatever possibility is there. So sec as a 1 upon cos A into 1 minus sin A into 1 upon cos A plus sin A upon cos A. Sin A upon cos A. Now try to see the possibilities. The possibilities are 1 multiply inside. So 1 minus sin A by this cos A into denominator same. So numerator is as it is. LCM you can take 1 plus sin A by cos A. No children, this is a like term, like fraction, cos A denominator. So directly cos A, numerator is directly added because the like fraction is there. Denominator is same. Now cos A into cos A children, cos A into cos A, cos square A. Because x into x is a x square. So cos A into cos A whole square. But here I told it that cos A whole square is nothing but cos square A. And don't write cos A square. Cos square A. Okay children? Because that square is of cos that angle square. And 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. So here children it's very clear that A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B children. Can you see the board? Can you see the board children? A minus B into A plus B children. So here A minus B into A plus B is nothing but A square minus B square. A square minus B square divided by cos square A. Here I am writing what? A minus B into A plus B is nothing but A square minus B square children. Okay children. So after this, see here 1 minus sin square A. What is the 1 minus sin square A children? Yes, it's a trigonometric identity. That is 1 minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A. And denominator is also cos square A. How? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that's why 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Cos square A cancel. That is 1. So it's the least simplified. That is if we get numeral, it's the least simplified. We cannot simplify further children. Okay children. So nothing children. See that simplification means this has to be bring down. Step down. Okay. Step down maybe in terms of this trigonometric ratio. Lastly we may get tan A, cos A or whatever. Simple terms. Otherwise sometimes you may get numeral. If you are getting numeral you are lucky. Okay children, so sec A into 1 minus tan A into sec plus tan A. See what you have to do. Here nothing looking to be that trigonometry identity applicable directly. Okay children, so what can we do? Try to convert into simpler. That is sec, cot, tan can be converted into what? Sin and cos. So just in place of sec theta, 1 by cos theta, rest as it is 1 by cos theta and sin A by cos theta. Just I multiplied inside and take the LCM. This multiplied, this formula, and we got the answer in one step children. Children, now the next question number 7. It says that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Okay children, so how to prove this one? First looking to be very simple. We have to take left hand side. Which is sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Okay, either you can go for sin A plus cosec A as a 1 by sin A and then take LCM, then take whole square. or directly see here sin A plus cosec A as a 1 by sin A. Then sin A LCM and simplify, then square, or directly do square. I am going to do directly square because it is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. I am going to directly do anyway. So just apply that. So a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b plus, now come to this one, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. See children, this is a, b, first line, a, b, second line, right children? Now here sin square a plus cos square a, I can write it together such that trigonometric identity can be implemented. So is equal to, I am writing sin square a plus cos square a, together I am writing plus. It doesn't matter that you are writing separately or together, but I wrote together for your convenience. Next, cosec square is there. So I am writing it cosec square a plus children 2 into sin a. 2 into sin a. Here there is a cosec a. Sin a and cosec a are multiplicative inverse of each other. Means they will be cancelled. How? Sin a I am writing as it is. Cosec a I am writing as a 1 by sin a. So 1 by sin a into sin a cancelled. That's why I told that they are multiplicative inverse of each other. Plus cos square a already have written here. So what is left? Sec square a plus here 2 into cos a into cos a and sec a are multiplicative inverse. That is, in place of sec a we can write cos a. So 1 by cos a cancelled children. So now it is becoming simpler. Sin square a plus cos square a I can write as a 1 plus cosec square a plus 2 into this cancel, 2 into 1 2 plus sec square a plus 2 into 1 2. Now children it became very short. So 1 plus 2 plus 2, how much children? 5 plus cosec square a plus sec square a. Now children, here we have to think of that what we have to do. There are two options. Option number 1, cosec a to be converted into 1 by sin, sec square a to be converted to 1 by cos, then LCM etc etc. Or children, here directly we need what? In terms of tan and cot, and cosec is directly related with cot, sec is directed with the tan by trigonometric identities. So instead of simplifying 1 by sin, cos as sec as a 1 by cos, then LCM, direct we have relation with sec and cot and sec and tan, cosec and cot. Anyhow here there is a 5, we need here 7, so there is shortage of numbers 2. So 1 you can get from here, 1 you can get from here. How children? See here 5 plus, and I forgot to write here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Reason you must show in bracket children. Okay children? And here 5 plus, see here in place of cosec square theta, yes, remind that one, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta plus sec square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now shortest two numbers we got. 5 plus 1 plus 1. That is 7 plus cot square theta plus tan square theta. Is it not? 7 plus, it gives theta. It is A. In terms of A it is given. A in terms of A in terms of A. 7 plus 7 plus tan square A, tan square A plus cot square A, cot square A. That is nothing but RHS. But here you must write what? What conversion you have did? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This implies what you can write? Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Similarly, what you use? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This implies sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, children. Okay, children, is it not so simple? Just we have idea should struck in mind. Yes, this we have to do. Okay, then step by step. Otherwise, once or twice, if you are doing this type of problems, next any type of questions you can analyze with self and do it, children.